Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Thin walls usually don't block sound well because noise travels easily through lightweight materials like drywall. To truly soundproof a wall, you need mass, insulation, or special barriers like double layers or acoustic panels. Without these, thin walls mainly reduce echoes, but won't keep conversations or noise from passing through.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.